Inventive or not, a Friday film needs a scene with randos getting killed. And our first group of randos in Jason Lives are people paintballing as part of a corporate teamwork outing. Really fun characters here, played by actors Tom McLaughlin met in a mime class. That explains why one of them, Roy, is basically a real-life cartoon character, just add sound effects.
Until we nail Roy, that's it. Victory is ours. It's taking forever. Starving. You that's your trouble, Larry. That's why your sales are always behind quota. Your instinct to eat is stronger than your instinct to win. You're a real ass, you know that? Better than being all ass. That is so unfair. Oh, here we go with unfair again. Listen, war is not fair. Give me a break, would you please? This is not war, this is a game. War is an ugly business. I'm hungry, I want to get a sandwich, okay? Okay, wait till we kill something and then you can eat. Calm down a little bit with your attitude, would you? You're insurance salesman. Death is my business. You become this whole other person when we're out here, Stan. I don't like it. Hey, this is a man's game. It requires a man's cunning, a man's intelligence.
With a woman's touch.
Wait a minute! I thought Bert shot you!
See any paint? Sorry, guys, I did in Mr. Commando, weapons and all. Survival's the name of the game, and that flag is mine.
Bert never gets shot. Never should have let her play. It's a damn company exec game, and she's a damn company exec.
Now, boys, don't be spoil sports. Put on your headbands.
Dumb broad. She tricked me. God, they're gonna laugh at me. She should have stayed in the kitchen where she belongs. A woman shouldn't even be allowed in these games. Not a game, it's life.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Darn. No. Oh my God. No. Where? Oh no. Oh no. Oh God.
Come on out, you guys! The game's over!
You don't know for sure. What about Roy? Nobody's seen him.
Of course not. If he hasn't accidentally pelleted himself, I'm sure he's lost.
Yeah, well, the game's not over till it's over.
Yeah, that's right.
Shh. Wait a second. What was that?
What? Nothing.
I could swear I heard something.
I'm hungry.
Oh, God.
Be quiet.
Huh?
Oh, my God. My God.